Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we are going to see 8 best WhatsApp web tips and tricks. The first trick is change your writing style. There are some hidden tricks on WhatsApp using which you can change the WhatsApp writing format. So let's see how you can do this. If you want to send the message in italic, then in the text field put 1 underscore on both sides of the text. If you want to strike through your text, then in the text field area put 1 tilde on both sides of the text, like this. Here. If you want to make your text bold, then put 1 asterisk on both sides of the text, like this. If you want to monospace the text, then put 3 backticks on each side of the text, here, like this. This was the first trick. The second trick is you can drag and drop any of the file here on WhatsApp web. I want to share this. I will go here, and in this way you can drag and drop any file. This was the second trick. The third trick is emojis shortcut. So in this method you have to put a colon before writing any text, like I am putting a colon before writing joy. So I get all these emojis which is related to joy. If I am writing sad, then I'll get all the emojis which is related to sad. Okay. Now, if I put smile here, then I'll get all the emojis related to the word smile. So this was the third method. The fourth method is emoticons shortcut. There are shortcuts for several emojis. In the screen, you can see that these are the shortcuts for emoticons. Shortcut for WhatsApp web. If you are interested in knowing the shortcuts, then these are the shortcuts that I am presenting to you. You can use multiple WhatsApp web by going into the incognito mode. You can also access WhatsApp web through different browser apart from this Chrome one. You can use Firefox and Opera, whatever you want. The seventh tip is share anything between your PC and phone. Once you have created an account by scanning the QR code from your phone app, you can transfer important files between your PC and phone. Follow the given steps to know how you can do this. Say you must confirm that your phone number is saved in your phone contact, like I have saved my number in my contact list. So once you have done that, open your WhatsApp web and you can send anything, any file here, like you can write anything, and once you open your mobile phone app, you will get to see that whatever you have sent from here, you will receive on your phone. So in this way you can transfer file between your phone and PC. That access WhatsApp web quickly. Right click anywhere on WhatsApp web. Click on Save As. Save this on your computer. Now go to the location where you have saved WhatsApp web. Drag the WhatsApp web to the taskbar and pin it. In this way you can access WhatsApp web easily. So these were the 8 best WhatsApp tips and tricks you should know. If you want more tricks and have any question about it, then you can ask that in the comment section. Thank you very much.